Did you know all the stars that you see in the night sky are not part of our entire universe? In fact, they are just part of one spiral, that's the Orion arm of our Milky Way galaxy. We see our moon every day and get mesmerized in its beauty. We take inspiration from it and sometimes even fall in love with it. But do you know that our moon is not the only moon in our solar system? There are more than 200 moons in just our solar system with beautiful features we from Earth can only dream about. I can go on and tempt you with countless hidden beauties of our universe, yet all that we can do so far is visualize them in our heads. I'm going to ask you to go back to your school days when we were kids and we wanted to know more about our universe. But all we got to know was about our solar system. We have always had this inquisitiveness to ask questions. Is there more planets in our solar system? What are these shiny twinkly stars in the night sky? How will the night sky of Jupiter or Saturn would look like? Questions like this, but always the answers have been either theoretical or through books. The funny thing here is that even though an era had gone by since our school days, our children do get answers to these questions the same way. But not anymore. We are here to change that forever. Hi, this is your learning coach Vinod Kumar and I am extremely happy that you are checking out the virtual planetarium show for you and your kids. Yes, you heard me right. It is a family entertainment show and so we want you to enjoy this program with your entire family. Using an advanced simulator, I'm going to take you through a breathtaking journey around our universe and simulate right in front of your eyes never seen before places. So, are you ready to hop on a spaceship with me and travel to places of wonder and mystery in our universe? We will start this journey from our planet. Visit our star, the sun. Visit all the planets in our solar system. Maybe land on a few of them to check out the topography, check out their moons, again maybe land on their moons, see how the night sky with 20, 30, 50 or even 80 moons would look like. Maybe visit some stars that we see in the night sky, check out distant planets in other solar system other than our Milky Way galaxy, maybe even push our spaceship to visit outer galaxies and black holes in our universe. So all this in an high engaging and interactive webinar. As experts in conducting planetarium shows for kids in Southeast Asia, we are happy to bring this virtual planetarium show to your homes. All you need is a device with an internet connectivity and you can enroll your child to enjoy this program with your whole family. The program is designed for everyone above the age of 7 and even younger kids with parental assistance have taken part in this. The Tour of Our Universe virtual planetarium show runs for 90 minutes and I assure you that this 90 minutes will be one of the best well spent 90 minutes tour that your child will enjoy this year. More than 1,500 plus families have joined the virtual planetarium show and I really want you to join the program for this week. So do check out the dates and availabilities and register now. Remember, for each week show we take in only limited seats and we get overbooked very soon. So please register now. Do check out the marvelous testimonials that our previous participants have left in social media. And if you have any other queries, please click on the WhatsApp button in this web page to reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help you with any queries that you have. Remember, I'm looking forward to seeing you in the show.